Hi there. Let's take a quick look at the big three. First, you want to be seen. Make sure you have a strong presence in the shot. Your appearance, facial expressions, body language, and basic movements will convey a message to the audience about your confidence, competence, and overall trustworthiness. Next, you want to be heard.
The fact is, there are over 9,600 roads named Park in the U.S. It's America's most popular street name.
Control your voice. Be mindful of your volume, tone, and quality of speaking. You might be a little nervous, so slow down. Use inflections, which are changes in rate, pitch, or quality, to draw your audience into your story.
No messing around, no earning limit having. Do I look like I'm joking? Turbo boosting heavyweight champion of the world! Cashback card.
Be understood. Make sure you use good diction so every word can be understood. Your lips, teeth, tongue, jaws, hard and soft palates are your articulators and help you shape words. A good trick is to focus on pushing out the ending consonant in every word to fully enunciate. Relax, be yourself, have fun. Whatever you do, don't stress out over your speech. Good speech is developed over time. Practice the big three regularly, and you'll become a normally good speaker. Have fun.